Hey guys, let's see today how to scan QR from photos या screenshot on your iPhone. I will show you how to scan QR from photos या screenshot on your iPhone. So for that guys, just let's example, if I go to that Google search and here you can just type the QR code example and you will see the list of the QR codes which pop up on my screen. And from here guys, just take anyone, just select this one, and this I want to scan the QR from the search. So just press here. So see here, nothing is coming to scan. So in this case, if it is not coming, then what you will do here, just take the screenshot for this photo. So for taking the screenshot, just press the volume up and immediately press the yes then automatically that screenshot will captured. So, and from here just take a correct size. So let me do the correct size for this screenshot, and after that just go for done. So what happened, it will save save to photos. And now guys, after that just go to photos section, photos app, and from here just you try to so the recent, these are the so from here you can scan the QR code. So let's example, this is my screenshot which just now I took, but this is my photo which I have saved earlier. Now from here just you can just scan like this way. It's very simple, just tap on it and you can see open in Safari. So if you hit on open in Safari, then whatever that QR code inside, it will come to Wikipedia. So this way you can scan. So just now I showed you two photos. Right now I will show you how in the similar way you can take scan the QR whatever you have taken the screenshot. So this is the screenshot which I have taken earlier, right, few minutes back. So similar way you can also just press and you can go for opening Safari. Just open it. Encyclopedia, you can see over here. So this QR code stating that these many things. So guys, this way you can scan QR from photos a screenshot on your iPhone guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.